Hello guys, welcome back to Dark Angels Intuitions. Welcome back to my channel. So welcome back sa mga palaging nag-aabang na mga readings ko. So today I will going to do a monthly reading for the month of February. Yeah, for the month of February. So this is for the Aries sign. Love reading for the month of February. So remember, Aries, hindi lahat ng Aries maka-resonate sa reading na to. Takes what resonates and leave the rest. Cross watchers, pwedeng kayo to at hindi sila Aries sign. So put yourself in a situation kung saan kayo naka-resonate. So Aries, if hindi kayo naka-resonate sa reading na to, please check your other placement, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, dahil pwedeng doon kayo maka-resonate at hindi dito. So kahit pa paano maka-resonate pa din kayo. Okay, so let's start, Aries. Ano nangyayari ngayon at ano yung pwede mangyari for the month of February? Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Let's pull first an oracle card, Island Time Wellness Oracle card, for the situation na meron kayo ngayon. What is happening right now? Aries. Girl talk. So time with friends, moving on, happily single, living in a moment, having fun. So you are like, right now you are having fun with your friends, Aries. So let's see another situation, oracle card, on what is happening right now. Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. What is happening right now? Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Financial support, child, alimony, government. So there is something about child support, financial support. Might be you are dealing with your ex-husband or with sa tatay ng anak niyo. So what your person wanted to tell you then, siguro naghiwalay na kayo na to and you just really need financial support from this person. What your person wanted to tell you. So ano yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo? You were the best thing in my life. So, let's see what is happening right. It's kind of weird. I think iwalay na kayo nito kasi nasa point ka na ngayon ng having fun, happily single, moving on. So, baka gusto niyang bumalik, baka gusto niyang ayusin yung mga dapat ayusin. So, what is happening right now? Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. What is happening right now? Yeah, there is really like support dito. Children involved. Might be matagal na kayo nito, as baka you are married and madami na kayong pinagdaanan nito tapos nag-iwalay kayong dalawa. And this person, I think that still love you. You were the best thing in my life, and this is the King of Cups. So this person might still love you, and hindi niya ginusto yung pag-alis niya before. Labag sa loob niya yun. Kailangan niya lang siguro talagang umalis dahil kailangan niyang umalis dahil sa ayaw niya ng gulo, para wala na lang gulo, para tumahimik ng lahat. Pero he's still really thinking, especially if you have child. To the Page of Wands here, iniisip niya yon, iniisip niya yung anak niyo. Siguro namimiss niya. I don't know kung pinapakita mo ba or hindi, pinapakausap mo ba or hindi, but really iniisip niya yon. Okay, iniisip niya din yung pagbibigay ng support sa anak mo financially. So this is what is happening right now. Hindi siya sure actually sa mga pwedeng mangyari, but this person really wanted to gain a strength to fix some problem lumapit sa'yo, ayusin yung mga dapat ayusin. Kaya dito sa point na mahal ka pa din talaga niya. And parang andun siya sa point kahit umalis na siya, parang naniniwala pa din talaga siya sa pagmamahalan na meron kayong dalawa. So let's see. Bakit parang feeling ko dito gusto niya nang bumalik? This person really hurt you before he betrays you. Sobra. Niloko ka niya during those time na kayo pa. So parang nagkaroon ng pagloloko nung time na kayo pa. And hindi na kayo nag-uusap ngayon. There are full of judgment sa inyo before pa lang. So fights, yeah. Arguments, fights. Might be you're married but parang hindi naging masaya yung marriage ninyo before. Nung nangyari na parang merong mga betrayals dito sa pagsasama ninyong dalawa. So, parang nagkaroon natin ng clarity din about third party na tinago ng person na to sa'yo. Kaya isa dito sa dahilan kung bakit kayo naghiwalay. So, gusto niyang bumalik ngayon. Isa na dito is na-miss ka niya. Na-miss niya yung anak ninyo. Na-miss niya yung family. Parang gusto niyang maibalik yun. Gusto niyang maayos yun. Ano yung nararamdaman mo ngayon sa mga nangyayaring ito ngayon? Ano yung nararamdaman mo sa mga nangyayari ngayon? Ano yung nararamdaman mo sa mga nangyayari ngayon? Oh, sorry about that. Madami. Ano yung nararamdaman mo sa mga nangyayari ngayon? Yun na nga, feeling ko talaga dito na naka-move on ka na. Para sa'yo, the cycle has already ended. And, andito sa point na nga yung girl talk dito. Girl talk. Time with friends, moving on, happily single, living in a moment, having fun. And all you really wanted is a financial support na lang talaga from this person para sa anak nyo. So, yun na lang talaga yung gusto mo, financial support. So, para sa child ninyo and andun sa point kasi hindi ka na innocent sa mga nangyari. Parang ayaw mo na mangyari yung mga nangyari before or recently. So, you are thinking na I just really wanted to move on. Ayaw mo na ng gulo. Sobra siguro kayo nag-away nito tapos sobra kang nasaktan sa mga nangyari. And I can see na naging imbalance sa laging connection ninyo. You felt so very like, you just really felt a justice about what this person did to you. And cold na din yung connection ninyo. Parang ready ka na din na to move forward. Ready ka na to move forward and never look back from this. Kasi andun sa point na okay ka na kung nasaan ka ngayon. This is what you feel right now. So, let's see. About your person. Ano naman yung nararamdaman niya ngayon sa mga nangyayari sa inyo? You are the best thing in my life. Why? This person is planning talaga na magkabalikan kayong dalawa. This person is planning na i-save yung relation o yung marriage ninyo or something. Planning to save your marriage. Hindi lang pa talaga siya sure kung paano gawin to. Wala pa siyang total decision dito. But, naisip niya yung mga nakaraan ninyo, and nahihirapan din siya na wala kayo, especially yung anak ninyo, especially na gusto niya makasama din yung bata, could be. And actually he's waiting, bumabalik na to siya, and nag-aantay siya, and parang hindi ka gumagawa ng anything, because nga gusto mo nang mag-move on. And nagkakaroon lang kayo ng confrontation, and this person really like bumabalik talaga siya because he wanted to offer you a victory here, but para sa'yo, andun ka sa point na ready ka na talaga na to move on from this person. So let's see ano yung pwedeng mangyari this month of February sa inyo, okay, sa sitwasyon na meron kayo. Anyway, I can see sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini, Virgo, Aquarius. Could be Aquarius, pero wala ko nakita Aquarius. Na-mention ko lang yung Aquarius. Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, Pisces is here. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Okay, Aries, Sagittarius, Leo as well. So, what will going to happen this month of February sa sitwasyon na meron kayo ngayon, February or in the near future? You are in a karmic relationship. Fleeting triggers, turmoil, resentments, lessons, letting go, and loving you. So, let's see another situation card. Sa Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Single. Currently status available, single. So you will really going to stay single here, even sa this February or in the near future. Ano yung pwedeng gustong sabihin sa'yo ng person mo this February or in the near future about the situation na meron kayo? The timing just wasn't right for us. So this is really a goodbye. Yeah, this could be really a karmic relationship na meron kayo when you both thought before na you are really meant to be. Kinasal kayo dito eh. Kinasal ko, maybe some of you did get married, some of you nagsama talaga at nagkaanak. This could be a karmic relationship. And you both thought na you are meant to be before, nandun lahat. But this is lessons that you need to learn. So, karmic relationship ang meron sa inyo. Even this February or in the near future, mag-remain ka pa din na single. And this person might be give up. Will going to give up kasi I can see that this person wanted to tell you na the timing just wasn't right for us. So siguro give up na din siya kasi siguro hindi mo na din talaga siya babalikan. So tignan natin sa tarot card. This is already separation. I can see na willing ka na talaga mag-move forward, mag-move on, to be single, to focus on your life. Hindi mo na kasi ma-appreciate to eh. Hindi mo na ma-appreciate tong person na to in your life on what this person did to you before, Aries. Pwede tong vice versa, okay? Check the placements and pwede tong vice versa. Anyway, you will really going to cut off this person in your life na I can see din na hindi ka na din sure sa pwedeng mangyaring pagsasama na meron kayo if ever natatanggapin mo pa siya ulit. And through this, diba sabi ko dito na nag-antay siya sa'yo ng decision mo kasi this person came back and gusto niya na magkaayos kayong dalawa. So, nag-antay siya. And ikaw naman is really nag-isip ka ng desisyon. Hindi din madali para sa'yo to kasi may anak kayo, of course. So, pero nakapag-desisyon ka talaga dito. You decided talaga na hindi na. Okay? Much better na wag na lang. Mag-iwalay na lang tayong dalawa. Hindi ko na kasi na-appreciate. Tsaka hindi mo din nararamdaman na yung excitement. Hindi mo na nararamdaman na yung love siguro dito. And, Kahit pa sabihin natin na willing yung person mo na to offer you victory, kahit pa sabihin natin seryoso siya, para sa'yo hindi ka na inosente sa mga nangyayari dito eh. Alam mo na yung mga pinagdaanan mo, parang ayaw mo nang mangyari ulit yun. So, ayaw mo na mangyari yung cheating na yon, as what I said earlier, kung ano yung reason. And you just really wanted to be happy. Okay? Just really wanted to be happy. Yes, you wanted to have a whole family, pero in this case kasi para sa'yo, para saan kung babalikan tayo tapos babalikan din tayo sa dati, tsaka wala na din akong gana, kumbaga hindi ko na nararamdaman yung pagmamahal na same na naramdaman ko before when I thought na tayo talaga para sa isa't isa. Kaya siguro give up din yung person na to. Siguro magpo-focus na lang talaga siya into financial support sa bata, sa anak ninyo. Doon siya magpo-focus. Though feeling ko naman kasi dito, andun sa point na aalis siya sa'yo, pero magpapatuloy pa din siya sa communication niya siguro with your child or kids, kung ilan man yung anak ninyo. Magpapatuloy pa din siya sa support. Kung feeling ko dito, no, on your side, closure ang meron sa inyo dito. Kasi, ang naramdaman ko dito, this timing just wasn't right for us. Pero, you allow this person na to be a father sa anak ninyo. Yun yung nakikita ko dito. You allow this person to be father or mother sa anak ninyo. Kaya, nandun sa point na okay na yung, parang okay lang din yung paghiwalay ninyong dalawa. May closure kayo pareho, nag-usap kayo ng maayos. So all we really need here is a financial support. So yun, I can also see here Aquarius, yeah. I can see Pisces, Libra, Gemini. So this person will going to walk away, gustuin niya man o hindi, alis na siya kasi hindi talaga to para sa inyo. Andun sa point na siguro he wanted to let you think more, ang pag-isipan ng mabuti yung sitwasyon. Nandyan pa din siya bilang tatay ng mga anak nyo, and we never know in the future anong pwedeng mangyari, 'di ba? Kasi parang feeling ko hindi din siya give up eh. Hindi siya give up sa, kumbaga, nandiyan siya para sa mga bata. Tatanggap niya na wala na kayo, pero he was still going to try to. Might be in the future, pwede na ulit. Might be in the future, patatawarin mo din siya. Might be in the future, makikita mo din worth niya, na willing siya to prove you na nagbago na siya, na willing na siya ayusin yung family ninyo. Might be in the future, maging maayos din kayo. So, yun. Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. That is my reading for you. Thank you and God bless.